Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to give you a GMX tutorial how to start decentralized trading with leverage and buy GLP for yield. First off, if you want a trading rebate on GMX, I have a link in the description, so feel free to use that one. If you don't want to use it, make sure you enter the correct domain URL. Right now it's app.gmx.io. But this might change, so be aware that you don't enter the wrong URL because that might be a scam website. If you follow my link, you will get to a page that should look a bit like this if it doesn't get updated. And the first thing we will do is to connect our wallet. So you can see connect wallet in the upper right corner. I will click right there. And then you can see connect wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, and wallet connect. I will be using MetaMask. You choose whatever you want. So I will click on MetaMask. And the first time you're connecting your wallet, in this case MetaMask, you will probably need to sign and authorize GMX to get access to your wallet. And obviously connecting your wallets to sites like these includes a risk. So always make sure to do your own research before you authorize a site to get access or use your wallet. I have already done this and I trust the GMX protocol. So anyways, I'm connected right now and I will start going through everything that you might want to know. So let's start from the left, where you will see ETH USD. You can click right here and you will see some different trading pairs. So ETH USD, Bitcoin USD, Chainlink USD, and Uniswap USD. They might add new pairs as well, but these are the active pairs that you can trade right now. I will keep it on ETH USD. You can see the current price right here that is constantly changing. You can see a price chart right here. You can select some different time frames on the chart. So let's say 1 day, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. I will keep it on 4 hours. And then we can go to the right where you will see long, short, and swap. So this is the place where you enter your trades. If you keep it on long, you want the price to go up if you want to profit from it. If you select short, you will want the price to go down if you want some profit. And swap is just basically a spot swap and trade where you enter a token. So let's say USDC and ETH. And you can select whatever amount you want. And then you will get some spot ETH and they will be inside your MetaMask wallet. So anyways, let's show you how to long. First off, you can see market, you can see limit and trigger. So if you keep it on market, you will get the price that is shown or hopefully close to it. As you can see, it changes all the time. If you select limit, you can manually choose the price yourself where you want to open your trade. So as you can see, the mark is 1,212 approximately. So let's say you want to open a trade at price 1,210. So the price will need to dip and decline to your price in order for your position to open and the trade to become active basically. For the sake of simplicity, I will just open a long trade by doing a market order. So I will keep it on market and then you can see pay USDC long ETH. So right here, first off, you can select another token to pay with. I select USDC because I have some available, but you can also choose between some other alternatives as you can see here. So I will click on USDC and keep it there. And you can see long ETH. And as I said, you can trade Bitcoin, Chainlink, and Uniswap at this time. I will keep it on Ethereum. And then you can see leverage slider. I have the check mark in the box right here. So that means I can use this slider to increase the leverage on the trade up to slightly above 30x. And obviously, if you want to trade with leverage, I highly suggest you do some research so you know how leverage works, because there is a risk that you lose the entire amount of your money. Because trading with leverage means that your position can get liquidated. So first off, this is not financial advice. do your own research and make sure that you understand how leverage works. Personally, I rarely trade with leverage, and whenever I trade with leverage, I get totally wrecked. But obviously, trading with leverage is a tool that you can learn to use effectively. So you will have to take responsibility for your own actions. I will drag this down to the lowest leverage possible, which is slightly above 1x. And now I will enter an amount that I want to pay. So the minimum amount is 10 USDC. So I will type in 10 USDC, and then you can see how much Ethereum I will long right here. You can see the entry price is shifting a lot, and that's because I have the market order. You can see at what price I get liquidated, so that's about 657 US dollars. And if I drag the leverage slider, you can see my, let's say I choose over 30x, my liquidation price becomes 1,189 US dollars. So obviously a very small and tight range and very risky as well. So I will drag this down again to 1.1x. You can see the fees I will pay, which is very small in this case. Now I will click on enable leverage. I will get a MetaMask notification where there's a gas fee, very small at the moment on Arbitrum. And by the way, if you're trading on Avalanche, you will obviously have to pay with AVAX. And at this time, I don't think the gas fees between Arbitrum and AVAX will differ a whole lot, but that's something to keep in mind. I will just confirm this transaction right here. My first transaction is confirmed, so leverage is enabled. Now I will have to approve the USDC, so I'll click on approve USDC, and then I will get a new MetaMask notification, give permission to access your USDC. You can see the transaction fee, and I will click on confirm. Approval submitted, transaction confirmed, and now you will see long ETH. So this is the time where I will place my order. So I will click on long ETH, and then you will see all the details again. If you want, you can allow up to 1% slippage. So that's probably to get your transaction through a lot easier. I won't select this one right now though. I will just click on long. And I will get a new MetaMask notification, pay a transaction fee, and I will click on confirm. Now my long has been submitted, and then you will see positions right here, and you can see my position, ETH long, the net value of my position, the current price, what entry price I got, and what liquidation price I have. And whenever you want to close your position and you're happy or not happy, you can just click on close, and you can select an amount of your position to close. So I have 10.95 USD in my position right now. So if I want to close my entire position, I can just click on max, and then I can just click on close, and then I will get a MetaMask notification with the transaction fee, and then I will just click on confirm, and I will get my USDC back if I'm not liquidated or if I actually have some USDC left in my position. I will go ahead and reject this because I want to show another thing if you have an open position. So I will close all this, and then you can see the 3 points right here, and I will click there. So here you can edit collateral. I will click there, and then you can deposit more ETH. Let's say I want the entire thing. Then you can get more collateral into your position. You can lower your leverage, and you can lower your liquidation price. So if you want to keep your position going, but you want to minimize some risk, you can just edit your collateral, add some ETH and collateral to your position, and then you can just click on this button. I can't do it because the minimum leverage is 1.1x, and this will be too low. If you're trading with higher leverage, you can do this. You can just click the button, confirm the transaction with your MetaMask or whatever wallet you're using. and you should be done with that. You can also withdraw some collateral. In this case, it will be your USD. So keep in mind that this will increase your leverage. So let's say I want to withdraw 5 USD. Then you can see my collateral decreases, my leverage increases, and my liquidation price increases as well. So be cautious when you deposit or withdraw any collateral into your position. But as I said, you should be cautious in general if you're trading with leverage. So I will click on the exit right here. If you want to short instead of long, it works the same. So I won't go ahead and show you every step by step on how to open a short position. And hopefully that's everything you need to know in order to start decentralized trading on GMX. Now I will go to the second part of this tutorial, which is how to buy GLP token and earn some real yield. So I will look for the menu and I will click on earn. And as you can see, you can stake GMX and GLP to earn rewards. So if you want to stake GMX, you can see the APR is almost 40%. You can just click on buy GMX and you will be redirected into the swap menu. And whenever you have some GMX available, you can click on stake. And then you can just enter the amount of GMX that you want to stake, and you can just click the buttons, confirm the transaction, and everything should be fine. Now with GLP, you can see GLP, this is on Arbitrum right here. You can also buy GLP on Avalanche. Now GLP on Arbitrum or Avalanche has a difference. So first off, the APR differs between Arbitrum and Avalanche. And also what's inside the GLP on Arbitrum and Avalanche differs. So GLP on Arbitrum, as I'm recording this, has a higher APR than the GLP has on Avalanche. So I will go ahead and show you how to buy GLP on Arbitrum. You can see buy GLP right here. So I'll click on this button. Then you will see buy/sell GLP. And then you can see buy GLP right here. And then you will see ETH. So I will change this and I will select USDC instead. And let's say I want to pay 10 USDC. I will receive 11.84 GLP approximately. Then I will click on buy GLP. I will get a MetaMask notification with the transaction fee. And I will click on confirm. Buy has been submitted. Now you can see my GLP bought with 10 USDC. And now I don't have to do anything else because as you can see inside my wallet, I have almost 35 GLP worth of $21 US. And you can also see the staked amount is the same amount that I have inside my wallet. So there is no extra step to stake your GLP. I will go back to earn. And then you will be able to see your rewards that are accumulating right here. If you want to claim your rewards, you can just look for total rewards and click on claim right here. You can also compound your rewards, which means that all your total rewards are compounded into some more escrowed GMX as far as I understand. And when you have compounded and received more escrowed GMX, you will earn APR on the escrowed GMX as well. And if you want to unstake your ESGMX, you can just click on unstake and you will see the amount of escrowed GMX that you have available. Then you can select the amount and then you can click unstake and then you can just confirm it in your wallet. Now there's one thing to think about when you want to unstake your escrowed GMX, and that is a vesting period. So you can read through the vesting details before you want to unstake your escrow GMX. And there are also multiplier points APR that you might want to think about. Personally, I don't know anything about it. I just keep compounding my very small amount of GMX and GLP that I have on Arbitrum. So you have to do your own research and make your own decision what is best for you. Now, hopefully you have found some good instructions and information on how to use the GMX protocol. If you like this tutorial, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency tutorials. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.